Kingston City. Kingston to the world. We're out in a Kingston, halfway tree. See clock down there? Yeah, without the bus park, you know. Place jam up. We are down in a Kingston City, the veteran TV. I walk up and down. We are down in a halfway tree at the bus park. And it's right as a daddy. Yeah, so the Port Antonio bus them there. Yeah, anytime you want to catch a bus to Port Antonio. Anyway, all bus park, yes sir. See it? Just come out where you see the Burger King there, you can't run, you see it? Crazy people. Veteran TV, halfway tree. And we are going to the Burger King, you go look some food, you see it? Yeah, you know the Port Antonio bus, them parks, see them there? Big up Port Antonio Panawana. All Port Antonio crew, uptown. Bus park, you see it? Big up all like Portland of them. All Portland up top. Bus park, you know. Kingston, night, people. To the world. Veteran TV. Crazy. Kingston, yeah. Burger King. Watch out. Me are going to the Burger King, so watch out. Yeah, so no take on the bus, them, yeah? Talk to the eye them look more. Crazy.